Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Knowledge at Zero Cost. So today we are going to deal with Mike's topic. So we'll learn the topic in a way which helps us in every way or a perspective of the questions. Means we has to know the way of learning the maths first. We don't have to randomly choose one topic and work on it. But maths has a way to learn, right? For example, if you know the division, you can solve arithmetic problem easily. And if you know the LCM and HCF, you can go with the factorization easily. So the topics I teach will help you in all exams, including the school exams and for the competitive from group 4 level to the civil services level. So at every step and at every question you read in the maths, which should help you to understand the question and understand from which topic it is coming. So in that way we have to learn the maths. So I'm not going directly to the topic, but I want to explain you the topic and in-depth subtopics in it. So we have number system, arithmetics, algebra, linear equations, and plane geometry and mensurations at the school levels. So first we have to complete the school level topics. If we complete the school level topics, you can go to the advanced levels. First we have to divide the school level topics, not randomly go with continuously from page number 1 to page number 100, but you have to choose it wisely. If you go for number system topics in class 6, you have to go for number system topics in class 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. In that way you have to choose topic by topic, so we can understand the topic in a holistic way. Okay, so today we are going to learn the number system. The subtopics including in it are the types of numbers like whole numbers, natural numbers, etc. Surds. Surds means example, we have a root b, so we get b root of 1. A root b equals to b power 1 by a. In that way, LCM and HCF, divisibility rule, square and square roots, cube and cube roots, progressions, fractions, etc. And next topic is arithmetics. So the arithmetics is nothing but an everyday max, right? It is an everyday max. Okay, so in the everyday life, it includes the everyday life of a human. Like for example, if we have 1 kg sugar for 45 rupees, what it costs for 2.5 kg of sugar. So my dear people, I'll make you understand the topic in this way very easily. Okay, so the mathematics include ratios and proportions, percentages, profits and losses, discount, VAT applications, simple interest, compound interest, etc. Okay, next comes algebra. Algebra is nothing but the central concept of the algebra is an expression. So whatever I have give you an example, like 1 kg of sugar equal to 45 rupees. How much is it cost for 2.5 kgs of sugar? Okay, so this algebra gives an expression, right? For 1 kg of sugar equals to x, it is 45 rupees. Then for 2.5 kg of sugar, how much it is? Okay, so we'll take like x minus 2.5 of x equal to 45 minus whatever may be. So we'll take the expression like this. So this is an algebraic term. So okay, the algebraic expression, it is nothing but an algebraic expression. So if we solve it out, we'll get the x value as 112 or 112.5. Okay, 112.5 is the cost of 2.5 kgs of a sugar if its value for 1 kg is 45 rupees. Okay, then we go for the linear equation and inequations. Linear equation in two variables, linear programming are the subtopics of linear equations. Then we go for plane geometry, Euclid's axioms and history of the geometry. So we need to learn about the history of these topics too, because we don't know from where we are going to deal. We are going to get touched with the questions in the exams. Okay, so lines and angles, like obtuse angle, acute angle, right angle, straight line. So you has to know about this all. I'll make you it simple, don't worry. Triangles and properties, similar triangles, quadrilateral, circles and cyclic quadrilaterals, secant and tangent, polygons and symmetry are the subtopics of the plane geometry. Okay, then comes the mensurations. So in this mensurations, we are going to deal about the triangles, quadrilaterals, circles, sector, annulus and segment, pyramids, rectangular fields, prisms, cylinder, cone, sphere, combination of solids. So these are the subtopics in the mensuration. So guys, each and every topic of this 6 topics, I'll make it easy and crisp for you to learn. Until the next video. Okay, bye.